Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After a quick break, Nick Jonas is back coaching again on The Voice for Season 20. This spring, he's joining fellow panelists John Legend, Blake Shelton and Kelly Clarkson in the quest to find The Voice's next singing champion. 25 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is not exactly known how much Jonas will be making in his first season, but it is estimated to be somewhere around $10 million. He is one of the younger coaches that show has seen, much like fellow former Disney star Miley Cyrus, who brought in around $13 million a season.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.